Now that's what you call warm and hearty. Perfect for winters, isn't it? Veg Manchow Soup with crispy noodles on top. Hi there, welcome back to Food Rolls. Get a beautiful spoonful of that. Get your knife and chopping board out, because the first thing that you will need is to cut an onion. Next, take about an inch of ginger and peel its skin off. What you are going to do next is simmer the ginger and onion pieces in about 1 liter of water for 1 hour. As it extracts all the flavors, we will proceed with the rest of the recipe. Chop 2 fresh green chilies and soak them in 4 tablespoons vinegar. Keep it aside for later use. Take about 200 gram mushrooms and give them a thorough wash. Chop them in equal sizes. It should be near about 2 cm thick. You will also need cabbage leaves. 3 should do the trick. You will not need the stalks for this recipe, so you can store them for making pickled cabbage stalks. Arrange the leaves like this and roll them up tightly. Hold it firmly and start slicing. See, I dare say, helicopter plates couldn't have chopped it better. Next up, a small carrot. Peel its outer skin off. You can use a knife too for this. See, nice and clean. Slice it lengthwise and chop them finely. Make sure to keep the size uniform, kinda like rectangular dices. What's this? I think our onion and ginger stock is ready. Oh, the scent. If this is not appetizing, I don't know what is. Strain the ginger and onion pieces out of it. Put in the chopped cabbage and carrot in the stock and give it a good stir for 10 to 15 minutes. Take about 3 tablespoons butter and bring it to a sizzle. Fry the sliced mushrooms for 2 to 3 minutes in high flame. They look so enticing. You gotta love mushrooms. If I were not shooting, I would have tossed a couple of them in my mouth by now. Yep, they're ready to go in. Back to the boiling stock. What you're gonna do now is add the fried mushrooms in the stock. Throw in 1 teaspoon salt. 3 small spoon chili vinegar prepared earlier, Now here's a neat trick. Take 1 teaspoon cornflour and add 2 tablespoons water in it. Now give it a good mix. Don't keep it lumpy. Add this mixture in the soup. It will make the soup thicker. Now you can also add an egg. This is optional, of course. Just give it a quick whisk and pour in it. Keep stirring while you add it though. Chop 1 to 2 strands of spring onion. Can't have my soup without a beautiful touch of green, can I? We have the soup ready. Time to crisp up the noodles. Mix 3 tablespoons cornflour in 100 gram noodles. Mind you, the noodles are already pre-boiled. Boil them up to 80%, not all the way. Give it a good mix. Preheat the oil and deep fry the noodles for about 30 seconds in high flame. You want to keep stirring. Otherwise they will get entangled and bunched together. You don't want that. Each strand should be independently firm and crisp, like this. Put the crown on the top and your Veg Manchow soup is ready to be served. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Share the recipe with your loved ones and subscribe to our channel for more such hearty recipes.